Welcome to a full body strength training seated workout with weights. Let's get started right away. Let's just warm up our bodies. We're simply gonna march and kick. March, kick. Here we go. We're just gonna build some inner energy. Wake up our joints. Then we're gonna pull out some weights and build some lasting strength. I have found maybe, how do we put this right? Not the most beautiful of gyms, but hey, how about with the right mindset? Can I see the beauty in this space and not have a preference to be in the most beautiful gym, to be in a beautiful forest? How about the beauty in simplicity? Okay, let's start to reach up and twist. Reach down and twist. Up for a couple, down for a couple. Just find a nice flow. Just heat up the body. We are going to build some strength. We're going to continue with the mental resilience, the ability to see the extraordinary in the ordinary, to remove some of our preferences. Would I rather be in a beautiful gym? Would I rather be outside? No, I'd rather be right here, right now. Embracing this space. All right, one more. Excellent. Grab your weights if you have some. If you don't have any weights, totally, perfectly fine. You can do everything with or without weights. I'm gonna set them onto my thighs and just begin to march. So we'll do a lower body exercise followed by an upper body. Without any rest, you just do what works for you, but just bring that leg up as high as you can. Sit up nice and tall. Sit up tall, we're gonna need to engage our core. So yes, we're building leg strength here, but we're also building great core stability, back health when we sit up with a real good posture. Great time to connect to our breath as well. We can breathe in to one side and out to the other. I'm not counting, just doing what seems best is a very short but effective session. So just do what works for you. I think one more to each side. Yes, and immediately sit up nice and tall and curl the bicep. Again, you don't need weights here. Just move dynamically. Anything in your house. Grab a couple cans of beans if that's all you got. Just add a little bit of resistance. Help us continue building strength well into our hundreds. Yeah. Some people love lifting weights. I am not one of them, but there seems to be some pretty good data that some resistance training, lifting weights a couple times a week can really help us to age gracefully with strength. Ooh, how's that? All right, one more. Yes, okay. We're gonna keep going here. Just do these last 2 or 3 and we'll have a little bit of a break. Weights on your thighs again, leg extensions. A wonderful seated exercise that we don't need any weights for, but add a little bit of weight here. You're gonna feel a different dynamic. This leg doesn't quite go all the way yet, but we're getting there. Breathe in and out. Raise that foot just a little bit higher. Notice how when you connect to your breath, get out of the monkey mind. Just know this is too hard. I wish this was over. No, I'm just breathing. I'm just here and now. Ooh, one more to each side. This is working, yeah. Okay, weights or no weights, we're gonna shoulder press. Nice and controlled, gentle, easy. Maybe you want to set the weights down. Why don't I practice what I preach? Oh, it's feeling a little bit much, but I think I can still do it. Oh, yes, I can. Brilliant. Anytime, any place, we can move our bodies in dynamic ways. 1 minute, 3 minutes will all add up and do wonders. We connect to our breath. We continue to practice presence. Last one. Great. Oh, sit on the edge of your chair. And let's side bend. We did some nice solid work there. Breathe in and out. In and out. Sink a little deeper. Bend a little further. Practicing our breath work. Patience, non-judgment, anytime, any place, especially in quote unquote ugly places. Why not? The great way is not difficult for those without preferences. Third Zen patriarch, a great saying, great way to live life. Letting go of attachment, judgments, likes and dislikes, good and bad. All right, here we go. Ooh, grab your weights if you like. Again, no need with this movement. We're gonna do in and outs. We're gonna go up high, in the middle, down low, dynamic. Building great strength in our chest, shoulders, sit up tall, core strength. Feel it in your forearms, building grip strength when we carry the weights. Ooh, yeah. Just one more here. Lovely. Ooh, weights on our thighs again. Calf raises. Sit up nice and tall, head up high. Bring your heels up off the ground. And just notice that great calf strength. Working on ankle mobility here as well. Oh yeah. Ooh, how's the body feeling? Warm, heated up? I know mine is. Great. Last one with the weights. Just bend down. Let's just do a few here. Just row. Great for building strength in our triceps. We bend over like this, increasing the mobility in our lower back. Let's go 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Oh, one more for good measure. Well done. Here we go. Breathe in and out. Let's just finish with a real focused, intentional movement. Nice qigong movement. Lifting weights, connecting to our breath, being present. Adding variety. I like this idea though. Breathe in and out. Whether it's moving our bodies and building strength and mobility, or connecting with our breath, engaging in our spiritual practices, or something else that resonates with you, no matter where we are, in an alleyway, in the not most beautiful gym, on a rainy day. The great way is not difficult for those with no preferences. Thank you, Ram Dass, for bringing that teaching to me. Let it go. Last one, real focused, real deep breath in. And exhale, let it all out, let it all out. Well done. Thank you so much for joining. Let's see if we can't get outside again soon. -30 today, so hence we found this place. How lucky are we, huh? Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.